Now one type of method is completed. Second way we are writing. So please concentrate, guys. This is way one, guys, explaining about way one. What is way two?
Parameterized.
A method with a parameter and with void.
Void.
Okay, void means no output. And see here, madam. Based on the above syntax, I will tell you.
Yes, sir.
Way two, guys. I'm explaining about way two method, guys. Now, way two method. Without any without parameters. Understood?
Yes.
And without
Return value.
return value or output, it means void. Okay, so here you can write parameters. One or more parameters. Here you can write one or more parameters. You can write. Then it will become way two, guys. It's like this. How it looks. So we'll write a method now. Program now. Please follow, guys. Start.
Notepad plus plus.
Notepad plus plus. Way2. Method. Way2 method. Example 1 dot Java. Pro1 dot Java. So requirement. What is the requirement? Writing a way2 method. Okay. What is way2 method?
With parameters and
With void.
with void.
Okay. I'll tell parameters means, guys, no parameters,
0.
0. That is first way. Way 1 is 0, 0. Okay, I'll write it here. A table. Parameters. Sorry, return type. Parameters. A1. How it looks.
Void.
And here nothing.
No parameters.
And here if you take way2 void, but you will
With
have
parameters.
okay, next. Way3
Return.
int return type. Int or anything. I'm giving example. So here you say return type void means you see consider as 0. Sushma wrote instead of 0, no, she wrote O. I don't know what she's learning. Then we have parameters. So 1 I will write. So 0, 0 means void and no parameters. 0, 1 means void and parameters. Here 1, 0. 1 means you have return type. Parameters.
J.
Okay. Way 4. What can be way 4, guys? Can you guess?
With the
Return type with
type and
parameters.
It can be any data type, yes. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. This is what we are learning actually. So now the second way I'm teaching you 0 and 1. So 0, 1 combination means, okay, with void means 0 and has parameters. It means 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next class. Way2 method pro1. Some people are writing mistakes, so I'm writing again. You're wasting my time, Chaitra. Sorry, Sushma. Here. Some people write method name, they'll write month name first. So, class having way2 method will be called in different class. Way2 method, way2 static method will be accessed in test class, different classes. So now I'm writing public static void add two numbers. Consider I write int number 1, int number 2. Here it is return nothing. Void means return nothing. So till here it is 1. This is 2. This is 3.
4,
This is 4.
5,
5. 6. 7. 7 is blank actually.
Sir, we are
Now here it is 8. What is 8? You have to write logic to add number 1 and
number 2.
number 2. So here you have to write a comment. How you write a comment? Understand this. Author. Rate of return. What is return? Rate of param.
int.
Int comma int. Num1 comma num2 of
Int.
okay. Method has a logic of number 1 and number 2.
Number 2.
Understood?
Yes.
And others can't take the output. You can only see the output. Void means like that. You can see the output, but you can't take the output. That is void. And void means others can't take the output, but they can see the output. How they can see? Here only you will write int sum is equal to number 1 plus number 2. Now logic to print the sum. What is the logic system? Dot out dot
Print.
so these are 8. Whatever logic you write, everything is 8 only. So 2 steps logic it has. You're showing the output, but you're not giving any output. Are you giving here some guys? Are you giving anything here?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's not able to use by others. You can see, only seeing. You will tell that to your friends. You can only, I will show you, but I won't give you. You will tell or not.
Yeah.
So this method is also like that. I can show you, but I won't give you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
But I'll take from you. I'll take from you. I'll show you, but I won't give you. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Now I have to write a class 2 test. Same method name I'll write and at last test I'll write, so that will be easy for me. It's a static method, guys.
Yes, sir. Wait a minute. That one is
Third.
Add 2 numbers, but it is taking the values, guys.
Okay, sir.
okay, sir.
You can call same method any number of times with different values, guys. That's the advantage of methods. Reusing the logic. Why you need methods is to reuse the logics. We need methods, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
You can call multiple times and you can see the output. So now I have to compare it. Java C instead of
V2.
and now Java minus CP dot test. Yeah, I got output. If I want to analyze, I want to analyze both the classes. For those classes, if you want, you can use serial numbers.
Fine. Slash and slash read.
Like this. Totally program is compiler wrote in 10 lines. You wrote this much. You wrote comments, everything. You wrote so many lines. You wrote totally 42 lines. But
Yes.
your compiler wrote only how many lines?
10 lines.
10 lines.
5 lines of one class. Again, 1 more 5 lines of another class. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
So now I showed for starting. Now if you take yes, if I take strings, same name I'm giving. If you take strings, we are able to multiply, guys.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Multiply 2 numbers. Okay, otherwise add only. Add 2 numbers. Are able to add?
No, sir.
Then what you have to do? You have to convert string to number, right?
Yes, sir.
In Java, there's a static method in integer class. Okay, called value of. The method name is what?
Then
What's the method name?
Value of
is it a
This static method. That's why called with
integer.
class name. Integer class. I'll show you if you want. Integer find str. Okay, you may confuse with this. I'll go through documentation. Integer doc. have second one, first or second. So second is 8. I'll take latest. Who is the parent for integer?
Numbers.
Number.
Object.
Object.
And how many interfaces?
Two
Two.
interfaces.
I'll take 18. Okay, 18 will have latest features. So if you didn't get 18, so just click on API documentation, guys. Inside documentation, guys, observe here. Sometimes no, you may not get. If you get like this documentation, you are getting like this. So where you have to go?
API.
API documentation. API documentation, you have to go to java.base, first one.
Okay, sir.
In that integer class, in which package?
Language.
Lang.
So go inside that. Then you'll see many things, classes. But you have to scroll alphabetical order. You have to go to integer. Now you see the parents. Earlier only 2 parents, right? But now here how many?
4.
4 are there.
So
Interfaces.
it's the latest.
Constable and constant disk.
Yes. Now I'm teaching about method, right?
Yes, sir.
Which methods I'm teaching? Static method. What is the static method name? I told
Integer
you.
value.
Alphabetical order. See here, value of method. What it is taking as parameter?
String.
So you read that returns an integer. It is returning an integer, guys.
Okay, sir.
It has return type. Okay, this is way 3 method actually. Way 4 method. See here, you have a return type and also you have a.
Parameters.
Parameters.
Observe that in Java, you'll have that kind of methods. 3. That's why we are learning also. Yeah, of course we are using Java method to convert. So here I'll write first convert, use integer class, way4 method, value of. Okay, you can write return type is returns integer, takes string. To convert string value into number. You are using that. Use integer class. You are using the integer class. Num1 also, num2 also I'll convert. Otherwise, number 2 will make string on integer only. It's okay. One string and one integer. Got it, guys?
Okay, sir.
So integer as it is, you can use it. The other one is you can convert it.
Done.
Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
So wave 4 and all we are using. So don't get confused. So here, now if I want to call second one, if you want to call second one means first what you have to pass here. First one is
String.
string. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And the second one is
Integer.
Integer.
whatever it takes, you have to pass exactly, guys. Same order, same things. Don't get confused. So same name is sir, I'm confusing sir. No confusion. Why no confusion? Because the way it takes is different, no?
Yes.
And this is a overloading method. Write if you want a comment. You can write a comment for a method. For second method also you can write a comment. Logic to print sum of number 1 and number 2. Where it converts string into
Integer.
integer. Okay, here number one, number two of string and
In type respectively.
uh, in type respectively means same order.
Yes, sir.
Method has a logic to print sum of number one and number two, where it converts string number one into
Integer.
Integer number one.
class value of method. And it won't return any output. And this method will show the output,
Output.
but it won't give you
Use.
any output to use. You can see the output, but it won't give any output to use. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
You are not at all understanding, Sushma. I don't know what you are doing actually. Why you are not trying? Not at all understood. You're not at all having it. Guys, don't get confused by this. Anybody confused, guys?
No, sir.
Why you would understood this one?
Yes, sir.
To convert a string into
Integer.
Integer.
yes. Now, if you compile and execute, please. 320, 2010. You got or not?
Yes, sir.
If you really want to see the difference, you can do it. Here, you can give a line gap. System dot out dot print. And you will see one line came.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understanding, guys?
Yes, sir.
Consider this a right non-static. Okay. If I make it a non-static means here what you have to write?
New method.
Method.
Close parenthesis.
But creating the, see now how many objects I have to create? To call 2 times?
Yes, sir.
2 objects, right? So it is not recommended to create that many objects.
Okay.
Only one object you have to create for one class. 2, 3 objects you should not create until unless it's really required.
Okay, sir.
So I'm just creating, storing it. Now how many objects created, guys?
Only one.
Only one. Now I can reuse it. So that's the advantage of storing the object. Yes. If you want, you can write it. What is this? Creating
Creating method.
an
Object.
storing in and storing in reference variable ww of type.
Integer.
What is the type of the method, guys? I told you on the day before any variable, what you see is the type. So
Yes,
before ww, whatever you see is the
Type method.
Type.
type. String is a type, string is a class. In the same way, your class is also one data type. Every class is one data type, guys. In that
Okay.
class data type, what you store is object only. In any class data type, what you store is called object. It will treat it as object. Understood, guys?
Okay, sir.
In int, how you can store a value 10. In the same way, in class type, you can store object. So no confusion. Clear, guys? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Compile, execute, and analyze. So you can observe it. See, this is a constructor, and this is a method. And here it is a constructor. It has two methods. One is static method,
And then non-static method.
non-static method, which takes intent here, void and intent, right?
Yes, sir.
And here it is taking its void only, but it's taking
String,
string and
string integers.
Integer.
that's what you have to analyze your classes. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This much you have to write, guys. You have to learn. So please complete this program, guys. If you know these methods, I told you, if you know relationship, 50% is Java is over. If you know about methods, 70% Java is over, guys. 70 to 75% of Java is over. Here. Any doubts you have, guys?
Mm.
Guys, try to be on videos, guys. How many methods we wrote, guys? Two methods with same name we wrote. This is called overloading method. Got it, right?
Yes, sir.
You can write that comment also. Yeah. This is a overloading method. Understood, right? What is overloading, you know, right? Same method name with different parameters.
But different parameters.
Same name will be there. Method name is same here. See, observe. Both method names are add two numbers only. And what makes the difference is parameters. Here int, here it is string and int.
Correct.
This is called overloading, guys. Yes, let me know once you completed, guys. Yes, do one thing. Comments and all, no, write later. First, you complete the program, guys. I'll remove these comments. Yes. So that it will be easy for you to understand. Yes, give me 1 second. Comments and all not required now. Complete this, guys. Understood? Very, very, very important, guys. You understand 1 and 2, then 3 and 4 will be easy. You can take this screenshot, guys. You know how to take, right? See here, Windows symbol, snipping tool. Yes, people who don't know how to take screenshot, I'm telling. Windows symbol, snipping tool. As you type, it will come. Once you get this small window, you can click on new and select the portion, how much ever you want. So that will be the screenshot, guys. Using this screenshot, you can see, you can store it. Like how you created notes, inside notes only, you can create programs. There you can save all this if you want. Like this, you can take the screenshot from your screen, guys. And save, you know, right? Control S and save. Guys, once you completed, guys, add two numbers. Okay, you try to write multiplication, guys. Understood?
Yes, sir.
If you stuck somewhere, okay, guys, if you stuck somewhere, ask Jaya. Okay, she will help you. Okay, Jaya, you will help, right?
Okay, sir.
And if you don't know, then tell me. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, madam, tell me.
sir, in the same program, we can add one more method for multiplication also, na, sir. It will also work. Na?
But don't do that.
I'm asking, sir. We can do or not?
You can do, but this what I want is different programs.
Okay, sir. I'm doing different only, but I had doubt. That's why I asked.
That question you no need to ask. Why? Because if you see
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
documentation, how many methods are there?
400.
So many are there or not?
Yes, sir. So many things.
So like that. So no need to. You would have understood by this. It's like that.
Okay, sir.
I kind of need a little help over here. I'm facing this error. I'm not sure why it's coming. It's giving me sum equals to integer dot value of num. Cannot find the symbol.
Can you share your screen?
Yes.
O caps, no, inner word is capital letter. Value of O is capital.
Okay, O is capital.
You have to observe, ma'am. I told yesterday method name starts with small letter. Inner word is capital, showing if you observe there.
Yeah, it's compiled now. Thank you. Sorry. So it's done.
Share your screens, madam. Very good. You wrote multiplication also plus only, madam.
And also faced some errors. So I got to know I should be careful with my program writing.
Okay. Yeah, not required because we'll come to know not daily.
Yes.
But addition you wrote inside multiplication.
Mm.
You did start now.
Oh, shoot. Thank you.
Even I'm sharing the screen.
Yeah, I'm seeing. Yeah, second program we show Jai Shakti.
So,
Perfect. Pranay, can you increase the font, Pranay? I'm not able to see.
Yeah. Is
Perfect.
this okay, sir?
Yes. You wrote with comments. Very good.
Yes, our output is also executed.
Mhm. So comments, if you feel that it's stopping your speed and all this, you can do it later.
Okay.
Yeah, very good. So now tomorrow we'll see the next type. Okay. So
yes, sir.
on top of this two, you write 5 programs. I told not two programs you write. One with static, one with non-static from wave 1, and from
Yes.
wave static and non-static. You write 4 enough.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye
Okay.
guys.
Okay. Sir. Thank
Thank-
you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.